Okay, so we discussed already um, the arithmetic operators under Java operators. That is under expression yung topic. We'll proceed with our discussion now with the increment and decrement operators. So increment and decrement operators just simply add or subtract 1 from the current value of the operator. Okay? Or the specific variable that we are using. Okay? We have two types of increment and decrement. Kung increment, plus plus. Kung decrement, minus minus. Okay? Again, plus plus means plus 1. Minus minus means minus 1. However, natay distinct nga paggamit sa increment and decrement operators. This is what this is what we call as the pre and the post increment or decrement. Okay? Kung pre gali siya, meaning nag-una siya sa variable, kung post, after sa variable. So for this example, x plus plus is we consider this one as post decrement, post increment operators. Sorry, plus plus man di ay. So post increment operation. Okay? So y, however, here is the pre-increment nga operation. Now, on the normal basis, dili kinato ni siya magamit sa just like mathematics kakatong ginademo na to gaina. However, this is very useful pag moabot na ta sa um, loop, which is the katong repetition control structures that will be on our chapter 5. Okay? Mugamit tag loop meaning natay part sa tong code niya pabalik-balik ko na tong execute and it will be powered by this increment or decrement ng mga operators. Okay? So again, this is post increment kay ang plus plus after sa variable. This is pre-increment kay ang iyahang plus plus is before sa ato ang variable. Now, examine the sample na gihatag. So for this one, line 1, int x is equal to 10, y is equal to 0. Yeah, similar, variable declaration. However, pag i-observe ninyo dire, x plus plus, but the value of our x in this line is still 10. Okay? So, meaning, sir, mag-plus plus man ka siya. Because this is a post-increment nga operation, ang iyahang plus 1 mo take effect the following line ani nga operation. Okay? So, mo take effect ang 11, si x mahimog 11, diri na sa linya ni y. Okay? Whereas, since this is what we call as a pre-increment operation, in this line, na activate na ang imuhang plus 1, then now, this is typo lang, y is equal to 3 na dayon. Okay? So, let's try it that in code. By the way, I am audible na. Okay? Let's try. So, let's have int and decrement na operation. That's okay. So, we'll start with declaration of our class. Okay. Tapos, the main method. Okay. Let's have int x is equal to 10. Okay. Let's proceed na lang with y is equal to 5. A is equal to 3. B is equal to there are 4 variables being declared here. So x is equal to 10, y is equal to 5, a is equal to 3, and b is equal to 1. So again, the increment and the decrement operator is just plus plus, sorry, or just minus minus operation. Okay, we can just put this one directly to an operation or a variable kung gusto na to siya ipa-take effect. So for example, we're going to have the plus plus x. Okay. So, once we trigger or once we're going to print the result of this one, dili na to makita ang iyang difference ka class. Okay. So, in this operation, So what we have here is in x is equal to 10, then naatay pre-increment which is equal to uh, plus x or increment 1 to x as pre-increment na operation, then print na to, then the result of this is equal to 11. As I mentioned, dili kaayo mo take effect kaayo or di kay nato manotice kaayo diri in terms of printing. Kay usually pag mo printa, diri mangud siya sulod sa tawag ani after sa line for execution. Okay? Whereas kung muhimo tag ing ani, so for example, plus, do we expect ba 11 happen? Yes. Okay. How about pag ito ato ang program? What will be the result of the program? Unsa
10,
mo?
sir.
Okay. Last name, please.
Gapito, sir.
Okay.
Gapito.
Okay. Thank you. The result of our program here is 10. Nganong 10? Again, as I mentioned kanina, the post-increment operation mo take effect siya line after. So meaning, sa kaninga line, ang imuhang increment, wala pa siya nag plus 1. Dili pa siya mag plus 1 pag moabot ta og line number 7. So, wala siya ato ang difference when we use a pre-increment and a post-increment nga operation. Okay? For well lang. Let me have this sample yapon. Okay? So once we print the variable b, what will be the result?
10, sir.
10. Okay? Let's try. Gapito yapon no?
Yasa, sir.
Ha?
Yasa.
Last name?
Rebelyasa, sir.
Sa Monday, sa Saturday ni no?
Sunday, sir. Sunday.
Sunday. Okay. So the result of the program is 22. So how come nga 22 siya? Let's trace the output here. Sa line, x is equal to 11. Okay? Why? Because the current value of x is 10 plus plus pre-increment, which is 11. Okay? Here, x is equal to 11 gihapon. Okay? Nganong 11? Because this is a post-increment nga operation. Now, here, x becomes 12. Okay? So, y is equal to x plus y. So, our x here is equal to what? 12. Kay kani nga line, nag-take effect na ang post-increment niya, which is x plus plus. 11 plus 1 is 12. So, this is now 12 plus y. The current value of our y is 5. So, 12 plus 5 is you have 17. Okay? Here, a is equal to y plus 3. So the current value of our y in the previous line is 17 plus 3, you have 20. Okay? Here, b is equal to b plus a. So the result of our b, which is the current value niya is 1, plus a, which is equal to 20, you have 21. Then here, you have b is equal to 21 paghihapon because this is post-increment. And kaning line, you have b is equal to 22. So thus the result is equal to 22 for this problem. Okay? Again, wala kaayo impact kaayo pa diri nga makita nato or magamit og kaayo nato unless to plus 1 or to minus 1 for our increment and decrement operation. However, once mabot ta og looping, Especially kung for loop, we'll be using this one as part of our execution. Okay? So, ang timandan lang ninyo, kung pre-increment siya, the plus 1, kung pre-decrement siya, ang minus 1 will take effect on that specific line. Whereas kung post siya, meaning after the variable, it will affect after aning semicolon dayon. So meaning the next line na niya mo execute ang iyahang addition nga 1 or subtraction nga 1. So that is the thing that you need to remember lang in terms of increment and decrement na operations.